What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are doing the unboxing of Assassin's Creed Odyssey for the Xbox One. And we are doing the Gold Edition with the Season Pass. So this does come with the Season Pass, Gold Edition. These roughly retails for like $100, but I got a little discount on it, so I got it for like $80, which is not bad. But anyways, as many of y'all know, I give the Season Pass away for every single game. So if you want to fast forward the video, find a certain mark where you think I'm going to be giving away the Season Pass, go ahead and fast forward it, check it out. But please make sure you drop a thumbs up and let me know you like this vid. So for starters, let's go ahead and get this out of the box. And oh, easy peasy, easy peasy. So it has like some little tape here, which there it goes. So it has like tape right here. And we slide it out the box. It's kind of difficult. I hate when they do Steelbook cases with this type of plastic over it, because it's kind of difficult to slide it out because it provides some type of friction when you put plastic and metal together. And as you can see here, I'm really struggling to get this thing out. Holy shit. Why didn't they just use paper? I rather preferred paper. So here you go, Steelbook case, ready to go. Oh man, I got another task for me. I got to take off the seal, but let me take this little piece off because it's kind of like bothering me. So now that we got that off, let's go ahead and take this piece off. And I got pretty long nails, so I need to cut them. I've just been busy so lately doing a bunch of stuff. And let's see here, getting it out, and we're about done. And boom, plastic piece off. I like the Steelbook case, I'm not gonna lie. I hate that, you know, I kind of messed it up here. You see that little gunk? I'm gonna have to use some gunk out or goo out to get rid of this. Anyways, you do have the helmet of the Assassin's Creed bodyguard or Assassin's Creed himself. I haven't played this game. I only played it one time at E3, so I really don't know much about this game besides it's another era. And here you have the Assassin's Creed logo back, I guess it's the Greek era or something. So let's go ahead and open this up. Bam! And I just dropped it, but who cares, right? Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this Season Pass giveaway. Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Abbondanamente de Saison. I'm guessing that's kind of like French or something. So here you go, Season Pass. This is GK9MDCXW7R47RK9 6DDYG WTY4Z. So that was the Season Pass. Go ahead and enjoy it. This is some kind of like manual books, instruction or whatever. So we don't need that. We'll get rid of that. Here we have a little flyer for sign up for the beta now. The DivisionGame.com beta. Tom Clancy's Division 2. Available 3/15/2019. Make sure you go check out the Division 2 beta. It's going to be pretty fun and awesome. Here we have the Assassin's Creed Odyssey disc. Look at that. Nothing, ain't much to it. Just Assassin's Creed Odyssey. The little Greek logo. Ubisoft or Ubisoft. And of course, nothing in the bottom. And like what I've noticed, you know, the discs are rounded now, like the Nintendo Wii U games. So yeah. Anyways, moving on to the Steelbook case. Got the little man about to stab homeboy in the head or in the shield, and you got the little. This looks beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. This is artwork right here. If they had a poster, I would post this on my wall. And again, once again, Assassin's Creed Odyssey in the back. Steelbook case, gold, black, metallic gray, gunmetal gray. And of course, you got a little artwork right here. Boom. I love these cases. Now for the good stuff. Your Odyssey awaits. You know, pretty much write your own epic Odyssey and become a legendary Spartan hero with an all-new style of gameplay. Your choices will determine what type of hero you become and shape the world around you. Alright, so let's get to the good. 4K Ultra HD, HDR high dynamic range, Xbox single player. What the flip? Okay. I don't know why this game is single player. Hopefully there's probably a patch coming soon. We could play multiplayer like a couple of the previous Assassin's Creed, which would be great. Now here, this does require 50 gigabytes of storage. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. That's how much zoom I can get right there. 50 gigabytes of storage. Holy crap. Why are these games so big to download? I don't know, but you know, make sure you have an Xbox One X or an external hard drive. That always helps out. That always will help you out when you have these big downloadable games you have to download. But anyways, Season Pass, early access. So like I said, one more time, let me go ahead and give you that Season Pass. Boom, there you go. Or you know what, if you want to scan the QR code through your TV or through your monitor, right there. Alright, so there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Xbox One 4K Gold Edition, Super Duper Mega Duper Edition, Assassin's Creed Odyssey. But nah, I'm just kidding. This is the Gold Edition unboxing of Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Over 35 E3 awards and nominations. But I'm just reading what it says down here. I don't think it got that many because, you know, I ain't gonna say nothing. But yeah, if you really enjoyed this video, please drop a thumbs up. Comment below if you're gonna be picking it up. And if you did get the season pass and you're one of the lucky ones, please comment below and let me know you got it. You know, thank me, give me a shout out, tell me what's up. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy this. Hopefully you enjoy the season pass, and you know, hopefully you like the game as well. And that's pretty much it. So I want to once again thank y'all guys and gals for watching. I'm GT signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.